What's up, guys? Welcome to HTG Performance. It's fucking crazy tonight.
Yeah, I done got my keys up. Couple of T and they got cleaned up. All the off too slow to keep up with. Need to speed up. Niggas still keep up, gotta reach up. I look like money from my head to my toes down. Run inside the spot, need to get down. Don't make no sound. I done made it happen.
Yo, what's up, y'all? TF Garage back here with another video. I got the Maybach hitter right behind me. You know, so right now we're at HTG Performance. We're actually at their new shop right now. I haven't been here. We're in the loaner car, so still don't got the M6. But it should be a crazy night. It's gonna be like one of his first like good meets in a while. So we're gonna chop it up with some homies and hopefully we have a good night. I'll catch you guys when we show you some cool cars.
Damn, y'all. It's freaking packed. Freaking packed as hell, bro. But all these cars are sick as hell. Should be a wild night. Should be a wild night. I see some homies over there, so we're probably gonna say what's up to them.
No Hyundai's allowed.
No Hyundai's allowed, bro. No, hey, it's not my fault. Anything happened yet?
Nah.
Hey, so where's that made at?
Over there, man.
Really? Oh shit. Let's go from the M8.
Bro! Stop taking my content, bro.
Don't record my face.
Hey, just hold my hand. Just hold my hand.
Okay, don't record my
Yo,
face.
so there's actually unknown right here.
Hey, that's gay, bro.
No, it's not gay.
Did you say pause?
I said pause. I said no dick. Alright, y'all. We got all these cars rolling in. Alright, bro.
Alright, bro. If you want to suck me off, just say that.
I can't show his face, y'all, but you can tell by the belly, it is smelly. Yeah, bro. That GTR is clean. I fuck with
That's the new GTR.
Yeah, the new freaking. What's it
But
called?
bro, the Vantage, look.
Bro, that shit is fire. We got all these freaking supercars rolling in. Freaking 720S is hard. Got a G80, an M5, Reefs M8. Shit's hard. Even Terry intakes. He's definitely stock. He only makes like 200 horsepower. When I'm in it, it makes like 1,000.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But yeah, he actually just lowered it and put spacers on it, and it looks really, really, really good. Really good. Almost as good as me. But yeah. So do you see any Maybachs? You just hit a Maybach.
I didn't see a Maybach, but I did see a Mercedes. I think it's like, oh, it's over there.
My friend's Mercedes, bro. Don't hit that.
Nah, we got to though. It's the only thing I can see.
Bro, all right, let's see what else we got, yo. Oh, I know that GTR. How you doing, bro?
Good, and you?
Good.
Saw you, Martin. I smoked up the last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Morning was driving the
Hey,
M6.
Maybach hitter right here.
Okay, shut up.
I know, I seen.
Look up.
That's so good.
Alright, y'all. So I got my guy Ronaldo here.
Yo, I look good. Yo, damn, I look kind of nice on this. Yo, what kind of camera is it?
Bro, it's a Canon, bro. EOS.
Shit, mine, yeah.
My fucking hat.
Damn, bro. This is a nice ass camera, yeah.
We got all the badass cars in here. Mad G80. Got a Lambo in here. What else we got? Oh shit. 720. Porsche.
I got Sam Frank right here.
Hey guys, what's up? This is my new GT3, and I just wanted to say what's up to you guys. And yeah, it's honestly really unique, and it's my favorite car, favorite spec, so that's why I had to get it.
So, guys, this is the car I'm talking about getting. First supercar, obviously, to get on the channel. What do you think?
No, this should look ugly as fuck.
Bro,
I think that one looks way better.
Alright, bro, but that's like 2 times the price of this car, bro.
Okay.
That's wild. Anyway, we got this convo started right here. What y'all think about this? This car is actually absolutely beautiful. The color, the doors go up. Like, come on, y'all. Check out the interior as well. Matching stitching, gated manual. Man, this thing is mint. Really, really mint. But yeah, and then we got the SVJ. This is wild too. Very, very nice. You'd rather have this than this?
I just like how it looks.
Bro, this is crazy, bro. You're tripping. Bro, who is this guy?
Bro,
Get away, bro.
don't make me knock you out.
Don't make me knock you out. Let's see what's pulling up, because I can hear the popping a mile away. Lock setup. That's fire.
What about the gas for your phone?
Bro, Martin, you don't even upload. You don't even upload. You don't upload.
What about the gas? Oh, God.
Don't fuck with me, bro. I'll expose you right now. Anyway. Alright, y'all. After all that commotion. This is sick. Just step back. That was super. Y'all, we're gonna try to get a shit ton of content tonight. F10 M5 looking fire. One GTR. Two GTRs. I don't know what that is. Maybe Audi RS something. No, it's just like random, I guess. Turbo S. Where's the Maybachs, bro?
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, where the bitches at?
Come on, nigga.
Alright, y'all, let's see what else they brought in here. They brought in the SV. This shit is nice as hell. I've never seen that wheel brand, but they look sick. You can never go wrong with black and white either. It's just perfect combo. But yeah, now we got a ventilator. Shit's hard. It's like so many people in here, y'all. It's kind of claustrophobic, especially since there's no AC in here. That shit's hard, y'all. Hey, stop harassing him. Leave him alone. Hey, bro, I love your car, bro. That shit's nice. Hey, shut up, Martin. Hey, bro, your G80, that pink one, that shit was hard. Yeah? Yeah, that shit was hard. I love this more, though.
You like this better?
Bro, this shit's aggressive as fuck.
Exposed carbon or paint match?
Bro, exposed. Bro, this shit's hard as fuck. This is the hardest M2 I've seen now.
It's the hardest M2 in the country.
Bro, literally. Bro, today. That shit's hard. Hey, I'll see you around, bro. Hey. Y'all, this thing is really, really, really clean. Make sure y'all
Itching like corn.
Tapia has some sick ass builds, for sure. Sick car, brother. Bottom of the door panels.
Look behind you.
Bro, that shit's hard. Nah, bro, it looks good on this because it's like a triangle. But that shit looks hard. I really fuck with it. Matte white too.
It's matte?
Yeah, it's matte.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
I got this marble orange 88. Mom smokes those.
What'd you say?
I said my mom smokes those.
Y'all, this G80 is hard too. Oh, I know who this is. Yo, Nick, what's up, bro? Oh, yeah. Y'all, look at the Supra. Big ass turbo. Oh shit, look at yours right here too. Yellow goes hard. Does it have red guts? Nah, I'm tripping.
Oh, what's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, you, bro?
Doing all right. I'm doing all right.
Good. Oh, I'm telling y'all, bro, best looking M2 on the planet right now. On the planet for sure. Just look at this thing. The DRLs, freaking carbon kidney grills, carbon all around, bro. Freaking saturated in carbon. Yo, so what do we have right here?
A Maybach?
A what?
A Maybach?
Hey, read the license plate. Oh fuck! It says "Love Latinas." That's fire.
Bro, I should, huh?
You don't love Latinas? Huh? Bro, you're gay then. Yo! Hey! Oh shit! Now you can't expose them. Keep going.
That's enough right now.
Oh, I missed it. Do it for the kids. I'm a child.
I'm still warmer.
Alright, I bet. He scabbed us. He scabbed you lying, bro.
Oh shit!
Hey, now you gotta run it back.
Alright, maybe right now. I got you.
Alright, I got it. Check out my boys Shelby 500, bro. This shit
Sequence right here. Straight through as hard as you can to get 2 tries.
Alright. I'm gonna hit this how you hit the Maybach, alright? Wait, what do you get if you win?
Ranking rights.
Alright.
Who wants to hit it? 3.
Alright, thank you guys.
Yo, look what they brought into the shop. Sorry, bro. Shit's crazy as fuck on rotiforms. Things just wild. Gated manual as well. Things beautiful.
I'm fucking
Alright, y'all. I'm deaf again, but it's all good because it's worth the content for y'all. But let's see what else we could get. I don't know if you guys can hear me at all, but yeah, stay tuned.
Another M2 rolling in. Oh, yo! It's fire, bro. What's up? What's up? I love your new car, brother. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's really nice. Y'all check this thing out. Supposedly it used to be Scott Disick's, or it is. I don't know, but let me shine the light. Yo, Marty, we need some light in this hole.
Bro, we're doing it because my phone is fucking. Bro, the seats are crazy.
I almost leaked Martin's face right now.
Almost fucking made me get lost again.
What?
Almost made me lose myself in the crowd again. Just disappeared on my ass.
A few minutes later.
What's happened? Yo, just look how crazy it is. The streets are packed. The cops are here. I can't even fix the light because this shit's so bright. That kind of rhymed. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, we got 5 stars.
Nobody gives a shit. Okay, what? So, we got the picture spot.
Y'all can't hear him, but he's honestly saying subscribe to TF Garage and fuck the cops, and basically I'm super sexy, and follow Ty on Instagram, F13Ty, and yeah, okay?
A few minutes later.
Yo, what's up, my guy? How you doing, brother? Did you just get here?
Yeah, like maybe 10 minutes.
Bro, it's done.
That shit's done,
Bro, congrats on the new whip, bro.
Thank you,
Congrats.
Yeah, I done got my G's up. Name block play dirty with Lil T and they got cleaned up. All the ops too slow to keep up with. Need to speed up. Niggas see Lil Key done got